Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2025 Acura RDX technology package. So the 2025 RDX has the trim levels of base, tech, A-Spec, Advanced, and A-Spec Advanced. I already have videos on the A-Spec Advanced and A-Spec Advanced, so I'm getting a video on the tech, and I still have to get a video on the base model. This is all-wheel drive, it's standard. All the RDXs have all-wheel drive, which is nice. Pretty much the same interior, of course. This has a gray stone interior, which is new. It's this with the white exterior. They didn't offer that before. White with gray stone. It's pretty nice. Here's your reverse camera. You don't get a 360 camera. Let's see. So yeah, this car fits pretty well in spaces. So someone actually commented in one of my recent videos that they want to see the car in a parking spot. So that was a good idea, so let's see that. Basically, here's the car in the parking spot. Fits pretty well. It's pretty easy to maneuver. Heated seats in this vehicle as well. 272 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque, same turbocharged 4-cylinder. You have the ELS Studio 12-speaker sound system. Center console has been redesigned, of course. You have a wireless charging tray right here. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Apple CarPlay is now full screen. And instead of the tray being down there, it's up here with the redesigned center console. Bigger cup holders. You don't have that little metal tray anymore. This little console lid looks a bit different as well. You got snow, comfort, normal, and sport modes. So yeah. Now the tech package has the wheels from the Advance on the 22s to the 24s. You can see that there. You have the diamond pentagon grille crosshatch design with the black borders, which all the RDXs have, even the base model. All the 25 RDXs have the exact same grille. There's no difference in any of them, which I find interesting because all the other trim is chrome, but the grille is black, so it looks like an A-Spec from the front. Here are your rear seats. Same space and everything, nothing really new there. And here's your trunk space. And you can also set the height over there if you want to do that. Capless fuel filling system. Price on the window sticker is $49,250. You have this polished aluminum trim in the interior. If you get the Advance, you'll get the wood trim. And if you get the A-Spec or the A-Spec Advance, it's going to have like that metal hexagon looking trim, which looks a bit sportier than this. So same, it's not a digital gauge cluster, it's just a regular gauge cluster with a screen in the center with analog gauges on the sides. There we go. And the key fob, you do not get remote start on this vehicle. On the key fob, you do get it with your Acura Link though. And you have a panoramic sunroof. It's very familiar as it was before. There's just a very few minor updates cosmetically, and then the Apple CarPlay thing, plus like the little center console change. But yeah, I'm very interested to see what the RDX will look like when it is redesigned completely, because this design has been out for 5 years now, and the next RDX will definitely have a Type S variant, which I'm very, very excited for. And I'm interested to see what they do with the trim levels, if they're going to still have the base, tech, etc., or if it's just going to be like the tech, A-Spec, Advance, and Type S. Pretty quick acceleration, it's nice. And the all-wheel drive is really nice. As we all know, Acura's all-wheel drive is really good. It's one of the best in the class and in the auto industry in general. I really like super handling all-wheel drive. It's very good. Seats are nice and comfortable, and this gray stone interior looks really good. If you wanted a white on white tech package, now's the time to get it, because you have the white with gray stone. I mean, Yeah, it's not even really gray. Greystone's more of a white. Obviously the other color's orchid, but orchid's a spec and type S color, not tech package. And you can also get white with greystone on the base model too, which is nice. So a lot of people want the white on white interior. It's a common, I mean, popular color choice when available. So you can definitely get that color now, which is good. I've always liked the Acura steering wheels. They're nice. They feel good. The leather's nice quality, and then on the 9 3 grips, it's like thicker, so you can grip it more easily, which is always a good thing. I don't like when steering wheels are thin. I like thick steering wheels, or even if it's not thick all around, having the grips. The NSX first had those really thick. It has a thick steering wheel, and then Acura started putting that thick steering wheel in all the cars, like this just style. The NSX's steering wheel is really cool. It's like super thick on the sides. It's crazy. It's like really grippy, and it's super thin on the others. It's one of my favorite steering wheels. I used to have a TLX A-Spec V6, and that had that thick steering wheel design, which is nice. So yeah, Acura does make nice steering wheels. I've always liked the designs. The Acura logo looks good, and the horn pad and everything, the way Acura makes their steering wheels, they look pretty good as a whole. It's cool. There is no individual mode in the RDX, like if you see in the other Acuras. You have an individual mode right there, the TLX and the MDX, and obviously the Integra has individual mode down there. It's a button, but yeah, the RDX does not have individual mode. But the new one, the redesign definitely will. I'm not sure when that'll come out. I'm not sure how long this second facelift is going to last. If it's going to be 2 years, 3 years, I don't know how it's going to be, or even 1 year. But I'm very interested to see how it plays out. But yeah, if you like the current generation RDX, you will definitely like this. This will, if you've been waiting to get the current generation RDX these last 5 years, this is the one to get. I mean, it's the last, it's a second facelift, and it's they probably made all the updates they need to do, and now's the time to go for it. But it's nice how the tech package offers these better, newer colors, has all-wheel drive standard. I like the wheels on this new tech. They look good. So yeah, it's a good looking vehicle. They made really nice cosmetic updates, and if you like that black grille, you'll really like this technology package. Yeah, it's the big change is having the wireless charger on the top, because the first 2019 to 2021 there wasn't a wireless charger at all. 2022 to 2024 models have the wireless charger down there, and you can easily access that wireless charger now up here. And yeah, your cup holders are a bit bigger. As I said, there's no more tray. There used to be a tray, so the center console just looks more seamless in general, which is good. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for the 2025 RDX.